Hi friends, it's Stefan. Today, we're going on a magical adventure together. Are you ready? Let's go. I am going to the park. Come with me. Wow! Look at the playground. So many fun things. Swings, slides, and sand. I want to play. Whee! I am going down the slide. Up and down, up and down. So much fun. Swing, swing, swing. I am swinging high. Hold on tight. Whee! Look! I am making a sandcastle. Dig, dig, dig. Sand is soft and fun. I am feeding the ducks. Look at them swimming. Can you say quack with me? Look, butterflies. So many colors. I want to catch them gently. Whee! Hello, friends. Let's play together. Kick the ball. Throw the ball. Yay, fun. I am eating a yummy snack. Apples and bananas are tasty. Drink some water too. Time to go home. Bye. Bye, park. Bye. Bye, friends. I had so much fun today. Thanks for playing with me today. Remember to have fun outside and play safely. Bye. Bye, friends.